Here we go again. We're shooting these pistols at long ranges. This is the 4-inch late model Colt Python. Made in Hartford, Connecticut. Beautiful, nice workmanship on the Colt Python. This is the modern one. They had trouble with the trigger sticking. I sent one back to them and they gave me a brand new Colt Python custom shop, fully engraved pistol. As you're looking down there, you can see the sights. Only a 4-inch barrel. We're going to see what it'll do at 100 yards. Now, again, the 357 Magnum and 38 Specials, you can get these. I loaded these. They're 7.5 shot for bird shot, for snakes and quail, whatever, rodents, gophers. We're going to shoot these are 6 grains, unique at 125 grain hollow points, jacketed hollow points. There are the bullets right there. Jacketed hollow points, 125 grain. These are shooting at about 1,000 feet per second or so. See what we can do with this boy. I really like this up here in bear country. This will take care of you if you need be. Nice pistol. I traded a Buffalo Bill commemorative 30-30 rifle, 26-inch barrel for this. This is a pleasure to shoot. At 50 and 75 yards, it's so easy to hit a rabbit-sized target. And I think we're hitting about a rabbit-sized target at 100 and something yards. A fellow from Utah the other day watched the video of me shooting pistols at very long distances like this. Of course, this isn't real long. I shot him at 200 and 300 yards. But he said I must have been a gunslinger at one time. This is a pleasure to shoot this pistol. like shooting a rifle. I have one of these in 6-inch barrel also. This is a lot of fun to shoot. That is not any problem at all for this pistol with a 4-inch barrel. The other Colt Python I have is an engraved model, and it is a 6-inch barrel, and that would not be any kind of a challenge at all. Those are 12 by 12s. Or 10 by 10s, one or the other. I can't. Well, this was a new model Python. And it is a pleasure to shoot it, and very accurate, very comfortable. You want to shoot this, Larry?
I tried. Couple rounds.
Come over, sit down here and shoot this thing. There you go. That's Larry, my neighbor. 2.5 pound trigger, very smooth.
Okay. The seat's sticking out far enough for me. I'm sliding off.
You have to fill the sight all the way up with a...
Okay.
Isn't that a sweetheart?
Yeah. That's the last one. I have one more.
That should be it.
I think that's it.
What do you think about that, boy?
Yeah.
Good one, isn't it?
Yep.
That's a keeper. There we go with the Python 357. Please like and subscribe. Come back again.